Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about how to migrate your website from Wix to Shopify in 2025. If you're ready to take your online store to the next level with Shopify's powerful e-commerce features, I'll guide you through the key steps to make the switch smooth and stress-free. First, back up your old Wix website contents, page, image, and product details. While Wix doesn't offer a different export tools for everything, you can manually download products, SSV files, and save your image to your computer. Next, sign up your login to your Shopify account and start setting up your new store. Shopify makes importing products either with a CSV import features. So upload your product list there for pages and blog posts. You'll likely need to recreate them manually using Shopify's editor. Make sure to set up essential Shopify settings like payment gateways, shipping options, tax, and domains connection. Speaking of domains, if you have a custom domain on Wix, you can transfer it or update your DNS records to point to Spotify. After everything is set up, preview your store smoothly. Test product page, checkout, and mobile responsiveness. Shopify also offers plenty of apps to add extra functionality, so take advantage of those to boost your store. Finally, when you're confident everything's ready, launch your Shopify site and consider setting up redirects from your Wix URLs to avoid losing SEO traffic. So migrating from Wix to Shopify takes a bit of work, but with the careful steps, you can upgrade your online business smoothly in 2025. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out to switch from Wix to Shopify, please like, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more e-commerce tips and tutorials. Catch you in the next video.